Get into the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Here's a future-ready Ioniq 5 that ticks every box on your EV shopping list and more. Connected, efficient, fun to drive, spacious, versatile, and undeniably stylish. This impressively designed automobile exceeds all expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, cooled front seat, satellite radio. Get the connectivity and comfort you deserve in this remarkable Ioniq 5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.